This building is boring. This building is too short. This building is too green. I like this building. It's very yellow.
Meester.
What, you stupid girl?
Get down from there.
How?
Jump.
But I will break my sweet bum bum.
That's it. I have had it with your crap. I'm calling 911.
You would not.
I freaking would. Ha, 911. Answer. Hello, operator, there is a stupid guy on top of a pea-colored building, and he keeps refusing to get down. Please arrest him. I need to pick up my 30% milk.
30% milk tastes like.
Far, you 30% milk tastes like sheep, and that is why I like it.
What? The? Far. You have major mental issues, and you also smell like ass. Yeah, you walk away, she really did smell like ass.